my channel. Welcome back to Craig's Garage. Today we're going to another car show. This is my second car show of the year. I'm kind of happy that car show season has started. I'm on a big goal to get all my debt paid off. So I'm on a bigger goal. I might be getting myself a house. So I'm just trying to get everything done about the car show season. I can still do YouTube for you guys. I can check in on you guys. See how everybody's doing. I can still get content out for you guys. So today's car show is, I believe, 4th annual Wapaka car show. This is at Oreillys down in the fancy strip mall they got in there. Oh, well, that's gone. But anyways, I've been there once. I went for 1 year, and that was the first year they did it. Now, 2 years later, I blew the Skylark up, so I couldn't take that. You know, issues happen. So we're on our way right now. It's a nice, beautiful morning. Can you just stop whipping around back there? Something's loose in the trunk, but whatever. So, yeah, we're gonna cruise. I might throw you guys on a nice journey time lapse as we're cruising through the countryside. We're gonna have some fun today. So I don't know how many cars are gonna be there. I haven't been there in 2 years, so let the fun begin, you guys. See you there. That actually helped me get this car home. His name's Jesse. I call him Jesse Rat Rod because I met him at this car show actually 2 years ago. He had this really cool decked out Dodge. I believe it was a Dodge. It was a rat truck. So I call him Jesse Rat Rod. So he's got a 56 and I believe a 58 Buick Special, and he's been working on both of them for about the same amount of time as I've been on this one. So he's hoping to take both of them today, and then there should be a 1940s Buick Super 8 or Buick Special with the straight 8 in it. So I'm kind of hyped up. We're almost there, so I will get there and I'll bring you guys around if they'll let me record some of the cars. If not, you'll see them at the car show. So I don't want to be showing too much of people's houses or places they live, so their shit doesn't get looked up and try to get stolen type deal. So, but yeah, this fucking car's running great though. Like, I mean, absolutely phenomenal. Cruising around, it's holding about 62 pounds of oil pressure. RPM is great. Temp, a little on the low side, but whatever. Alternator's charging. I've had alternator issues for a while. So, yeah, we're rocking. And I think I took the wrong turn. Yeah, it's fine. I'll figure out where we are in a little bit here. So, there goes a deer and now a squirrel. Big old cat's gonna go get him. Nom, 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 nom. you guys. That's all I want to show of the place. We'll get more footage when we're at the car show. So we're getting ready to cruise in. I'm going to be leading. The blue car will be in the middle, and then the orange car is going to be in the back. So, because the orange car's got better taillights of all of us. Okay guys, we are almost there. As you guys saw in our time lapse, we did drive down this strip. We're going on the way back through now. So we're going to see how this goes. Son of a bitch. And there's the exhaust. Yeah, exhaust dragon. Aha. Whoopsie. These guys are pretty well open. I've seen these guys before. With them two. Yeah. Okay. Us Buicks got to stick together. So.
Yeah.
Actually,
I got one lady, one car, and one of these cars over here on the side. She wants her relative or her friend or whatever the first one.
Yeah.
So yeah, you line up with these guys.
Right next to the gray guy.
Yeah, go on the other side of the gray guy.
All right.
I think the orange one's gonna park right next to the blue one.
Yeah, those two are husband and wife, and I'm the buddy of the guy in the blue one.
Maybe he's gonna park on the other side. Okay, either way.
Just park next over there.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. I think I broke my exhaust cord. Cars here this year. All right, well, we'll wait. We'll get all parked up, and then we'll look around, you guys. We'll get all set up. All right, you guys, we have made it. We have rolled in. We are all set up and good to go. I'm quite bigger than everybody else. It's kind of annoying trying to back it in once in a while. It kind of sucks. Everybody's lined up, and I got about a foot added onto that specialist next to me. So we're all set up. We are kind of in our own separate area, us Buicks, and then there's a Corvette down on the end we're not going to talk about. Yours, the blue one's a 58, right? Yep. And then the orange one's 56? Yep. Okay. Yeah, I'm like 10 years apart from you guys. It's kind of wild.
wild for what looks like a 10 years.
Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of all of us Buicks. This is the group we're rolling with. It's a limo. We're gonna look at all of them. Still got the factory straight 8 in it. These things are insane. I gotta get my 41. So we're gonna wait. Our registration just opened up, so I'm thinking all the cars are still getting here, and then we'll go walk around and see what else we got rolling around here. So yeah, we made it, you guys. I even put my valve stem covers on. Oh, you guys are gonna love them. A little bit of Playboy. Loving it. Alright guys, that is the end of the car show for today. Had quite a few cars. That was car number 42 on registration. And smaller car show, but with it being their 4th annual, it's just probably going to keep growing and getting bigger. So rain kind of is starting, and I had to kind of cut her short. So some of the stuff I wanted to look at, I couldn't, but I did get what I could for you guys. Sorry for jumping around a bit. I did my absolute best. I just don't want to make people mad if I get them in the footage that are walking around. I feel kind of disrespectful if I do that. So I got about 85% of the cars. So I did enjoy it. Quite nice just to get back and relax, seeing Jesse's car. Jesse, if you do watch the video, amazing job on the 58. That has come a long ways. So, well, no further ado, you guys. I think we're gonna end it here for today's video. I'm gonna kick up some tunes and just cruise on home. It's kind of the end of the weekend, and I don't know. It's kind of shifted in the enjoyment right now, so I'm kind of just wanting to go cruise. So, but I'll catch you guys in the next video. I have a feeling that Iowa Car Show is coming up next. So you guys take care. Bye-bye.